There's only 2 beds.
Ah, yes. I also keep my 5.56 in the fridge.
Where else are you gonna put it?
Exactly. You gotta keep it cold.
Guys, I found a house.
Yay.
Oh, actually, I found an entire town. Okay.
Oh. Shelter. Nick,
Hello?
are you
Wait,
pink?
we've played
Hello?
this map, Nick.
Did we?
Yeah.
I don't
Remember
remember.
there's that one town where there's the 2-story buildings?
Oh, that's where I'm at right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember playing this at all, so.
Oh no.
I like how you can ADS and sprint at the same time.
Don't worry about it. I do remember this. Okay.
Yeah. This is the one that introduced the zip lines.
Yeah.
Propane nightmare. Whoa, 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 whoa.
damn it,
Bobby.
I think that means there's a shotgun somewhere here.
I think so.
I could really use a weapon.
Ah.
Oh, I remember that one, like, I remember that one fight we had here where we just kept running him around in the building.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just keep jumping through the window. It was this house right here, wasn't it?
Yeah, now you remember.
We just kept jumping through the window and he just keep running around. I do remember this now. I think that's the I think that's the meta when we have them start coming. I don't remember where anything is though. Evidence found. Now to try to find a weapon other than just a G17.
What's wrong with the G17?
Ain't gonna do nothing to my homeboy. Ain't gonna do nothing to my homeboy Big Slime. Hunting Big Slime.
Nick, do you want a crowbar?
I have a meat cleaver.
Actually, I think this is the dynamite. Yeah, it's the dynamite. Damn it.
Stupid. You just jumped through the window?
No, I threw the crowbar into the window. It's still in the window. All what was left of the window. I wish there was more than one camera. It doesn't make sense to have just one camera.
Yeah.
That's fair.
We're really underprepared, aren't we?
Alright guys, we're here to find Bigfoot. We have one camera to take pictures. Yeah?
Bigfoot fucked his ass.
Go this way into the woods and see what I find.
Oh, okay, so there's a wind
His
cave
famous last
here.
words.
Oh, there's the bear.
Surely there's nothing scary in that wind cave.
Arr.
Ooh. Deer.
Rawr.
I'm just killing everything I see.
I have a car battery and a propane tank as well.
I found a deer.
I have a car battery and some jumper cables.
Maybe Bigfoot's just misunderstood and he needs to sit down and have a beer.
You go do that.
I
Let us know
have
how it goes.
I have a car battery and some jumper cables. We're gonna clamp these to his nipples.
Oh, a totem. I just killed an elk. Fox.
Foxy Grandpa.
Come here, Fox.
Foxy grandpa.
It's a
Love
pig.
it.
I kind of want
Come
that
here,
head.
piggy. There's a bear. Oh my god, there's so many animals near me.
Foxy Grandpa.
I want a Foxy grandpa hat now. I wonder if there's one on Amazon I can find.
There's definitely one on Amazon.
Well, now I gotta look it up.
I got fireworks now. We'll shove this up his ass and we're gonna make this bitch the 4th of July.
Foxy grandpa hat.
I'm gonna kill this bear
Oh
with a
yeah,
crowbar.
they have it.
I did it. I killed the bear with the crowbar. I threw it up its ass.
Did you use the Supreme Crowbar?
Oh yeah. Threw it in its asshole and killed it.
Supreme.
I can't get my crowbar back. It's stuck in the water. God damn it.
I like that video, sir. Why are you in a line to get a crowbar? Because it's a fucking crowbar?
I just fell off like a 100-foot cliff and I took almost half my health.
I did the same, except I didn't lose that much health.
To Bigfoot.
Oh. You have fun with that, Mr. Pistol Man.
He's just walking up on me. Just yeah, get back here.
Are you purple? Or are you in between? Are you next to me, Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's purple. I'm on my way.
Ah, it's a deer. I don't know. Also, I just saw a Bigfoot like just strut walking across the lake.
Plug, plug.
See, that's why I like this map. You can just see it in the open sometimes. Or, well, a lot of the time. It's just kind of like
Moose!
Hey, I slide down this.
You want me to find out?
Dang, these moose kind of suck. Get wrecked.
Okay.
What did you just give him, Aiden? Did you give him 762?
No. Ouch.
What? Answer the damn phone. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Aw, I'm recording a message for you regarding your first night.
I'm gonna go find that wolf.
Shh. Silence. We must be quiet.
Must be extremely quiet. Guys, I think he found us out.
How?
He could smell the sex. Later, stinky. Wait, that's not the way I want to go. Hang on. Hang on. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house.
Close the door. You didn't
You
close
already
the door. Ah, where's the trap?
The trap already, he already fell into the trap.
Ow.
A worthy sacrifice.
Ow. It's coming for me.
Nope, me.
Just climb.
Guys, help.
Okay, start lighting them up.
I can shoot him through the window.
Hey.
Hey.
Where do you
Right
think you're
back.
going?
I didn't say you could leave.
Aiden, look.
There he is.
Back here, you stinky monkey. Hey. Get your ass back here, boy.
Oh, well. Shot him in the butt.
Let's get down there.
I fail.
Did you get him?
You guys just stun lock him.
Yeah.
Nothing like shooting while sprinting.
Quick, stun lock him.
Chase him. There's nowhere you can go. You can't go anywhere to the right. I have one flare left. Okay.
It appears I am alone at the top of this mountain. And there's a man coming for me.
I'm on my.
Hey yo, did Bigfoot just hit the gritty?
Damn, he just whipped on my ass. Nah, he about to nay-nay. Oh no.
Can I get my shotgun? Okay, cool.
Uh-oh.
Bring him over here, Alex.
I'm trying. Getting my ass handed to me.
Hold on here. I'm gonna bring the fireworks over real quick.
He's
Anyone
coming,
have
he's
any
coming,
5.56?
he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Yeah, I got a bunch, but we're kind of in trouble right now.
Yeah, we are. Come here, boy.
Get your ass back here, boy.
Oh, that worked.
Oh, he worked. He listened.
Alex, you missed. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What is
Okay.
happening?
That's what's happening.
Oh, dude, what the fuck off, dude? These animations are such. Listen to heaven!
Foxy Grandpa.
dead. No, I'm not. Where is he? Oh.
Come here, boy. Come
I have
here,
one
boy.
shot left.
I have a lot of 7.62, so I should be able to get him if I can find him again.
He's right there.
Oh, there he is.
I hit him.
You got it.
Shut up, Aiden.
Hit him.
He hit him.
Yeah, how else did you get from 7 or 18 to 11?
Oh, tripped on a stick? We'll talk it now.
Boy.
Never leave a
Wish I could
brother
be
behind.
revived.
I've already. Bro, he just healed like by 40. No brother.
God, if
behind.
I can do
Wish
anything
someone
about
would
it.
revive me.
Shut the fuck up, I'm on my way. Oh, hey, loot.
Boy, wish I could be revived.
Wait.
Dang, you strong as hell.
Yeah, it is.
Welcome back.
Where's my 5.56, Alex?
Get his fucking ass.
You're never gonna catch me.
He's here. Ow. Ow.
He doesn't like Aiden. Ow, he doesn't like me.
Ouch!
Guys,
This was a bad idea. This was
Ow!
a very bad idea.
I can't
help me, please.
Ow! I can't do anything. Where is he? Ow! I can't do it! Oh! I'm fucking down. Bullshit! I have no first aid kit.
Aiden, what's your arm doing?
Dude, where are you?
Oh no!
Why is it coming out the top of the stove?
We lost. I'm
I
dead.
don't see what you're saying.
Oh no!
Just shoot him.
Oh, we're dead, Aiden.
Just shoot him.
We can't. All of us are dead.
Oh.
I had no first aid kits left.
Why did you say that?
I told you that multiple times.
What is he doing?
He's trying to get you guys.
Go crazy. Stupid.
This was a bad idea.
Nonsense.
I'm trying to get a picture of him like throwing himself through the fucking window. Oh, he's running. Get the fuck back here. and finish
Get
the
back
job.
here, coward.
Why can't I move? Let me move.
You can't move when you're down.
Let me move.
Aiden's in the stove.
No, I'm not.
Mission successful, fellas.
Oh, he's
Oh my
torn
God.
asunder.
Look at Nick's body.
I can't see.
Why am I outside?
Nick's body was tweaking during.
I don't know. Aiden's arm has been going through like the top of the stove.
Yeah,
Look at that.
he was